So I'm Naira from Pirate Medz, and I'm here with my husband.
John Connor 215.
And we're at the Philly Podcast Space. So we came here because we needed to give you guys a better perspective of us, maybe cleaner, because you guys usually see us, we in the robe, we in the kitchen, right. But we wanted to clean up and come and chat with y'all. So here we'll be talking about all the different things that we've been through in the last 3 years on TikTok, with Pirate Medz, with our business, with our relationship, all the things that you guys have been following and commenting about. We wanted to clear almost everything up. So Babe's here. He brung his shiesty just in case he got to get with y'all. And we're going to get to this. So, Babe, what's the first thing that you would want to tell somebody?
It's the first thing I would want to tell somebody.
If they wanted to know about John Connor, like what is the first thing you would want to tell these folks about you?
Freedom fighter, lover, father, husband, brother.
So would you consider
man, the guy? Yeah, I wear many hats, including the shiesty.
I like that.
Thank you. No, but freedom, basically. You know what I mean? Like, me, I started off with the UCC paperwork. You know what I mean? I found out that it worked for me. You know what I mean? I started wondering, like, why don't other people enjoy these benefits? So I said, we all must be free. So me and my wife, we led a campaign.
I know that's right. So I think that my whole thing started with Pirate Medz also on a freedom, but it was more so like freedom from the medical industry. I had started a job working for Aetna a couple years ago, and I saw that it was a lot of dollars when it came to healthcare. I saw that. And I was a patient myself. So being on the other side of the money, seeing where the money was going, and then being the patient that people, like, for example, people would call and talk about the senior citizens and talk to the senior citizens, but it was like they just disregarded them after that. People had real problems and was really stressed, and then there was so many different conflicts going on in the world. It overwhelmed me. So I think that's more so how Pirate Medz was born. Like, Pirate Medz was born because I am the demographic that the medical industry was taking advantage of. So I had to pay more attention, especially if I wanted to live for my children, because I know where I come from, we're poor. Like, poor people, they call us the underserved, but we kind of overserved if you think about it. Like, they on every type of drug. If you think about it, like, you go to Kensington, all those people that's in Kensington are a product of the medical industry, and people don't even talk about it. Like, they are a product. It started, maybe you had a car accident, maybe you was shot, maybe you had some type of pain, you went to the doctor and you took a Percocet, and now you looking for them on the streets. Yep. And this is the thing. So now we just throwing those people away. It wasn't until Hunter Biden needed help in rehab that Joe Biden said, let's come out with some stuff to help these people along. So crazy. My whole thing is, I'm going to make sure that I'm heard. And I think that more people should take the time out to make sure that they're heard, because if you don't have anything to do, let's say you're a brand new mom and you go to the hospital, you had a baby, show up 2 months later pregnant again. Oh, they're going to give you a diagnosis, and that's just how it works. They're going to make sure you on birth control. And the birth control is messing you up. That's how so many people got endometriosis. They're going to make sure whatever drug they give you has a side effect. So this is why Pirate Medz was born. We were born because I'm just tired of seeing people lose it to the system. I don't understand how people are literally like, oh yeah, it's chemotherapy. You know the backstory behind chemotherapy. It's really some Nazi shit. And when you think about it, if they're treating people with mustard gas, why are we so willing to sign up for these treatments? And when the hospital starts calling themselves research centers, pay attention. Like, right. Why are we not paying attention to any of the things that's going on? So again, that is how Pirate Medz was born. I think that my husband, when you started tinkering with paperwork in the law library, did you feel like it would lead you here?
No, I didn't think it would lead me here. Where I thought it was going to lead me to was probably transporting a few bricks for El Chapo. That was my plan initially. I could get 50 racks up and 50 racks when I get back. That was my plan, because while you got your injunction and all that, you can't be pulled over. I don't care what you do. Then you can't take nothing I own. So if you do find the blow, how you going to seize it? You got to let me go once you get the call from up top. So that was my plan. But, you know, I'm glad it was a Lord in heaven, because, man, it could have got dark.
So when you was doing your paperwork and you was going to go the evil route about your paperwork, would you say the Lord just had different plans? Like,
Yeah, he definitely had different plans. He